If a guy were like that, grabe. Grabe. Sana akin na lang siya. Parang ganun. So, yan.
Parang hindi nga totoo eh, no? May gano'n.
Oo, nga sinasabi niya pag ba?
Sabi ko si Sander, sobrang yaman, presidente, mag-Europe trip na lang yun, di ba? Pero hindi, iba talaga eh. Iba si Agnes. It's farmer girl, man.
Okay. The last question will come from, who's the lucky last question? Question. Oh, basta yun. Go ahead, can we share the mic for the lady?
Star Cinema.
Hi po, hi guys. Rowena from starcinema.com.ph. For Liza and Ken, kasi yung premise ng movie is about yung pagtaya. Yung sa inyo personally, kahit ikaw Liza, if ever kung in love ka ba, sa tingin nyo, gaano kayo ka-risk taker pagdating sa love?
Ako, Nung una, syempre, when you were young, wala yan. Wala kang one. Wala. You're alien to that feeling. So, yan, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko na feel that. So, girlfriend ka na girlfriend, di ba? So, syempre, ganun. But after yung a breakup or a heartbreak, that's when you feel at your lowest. At doon mo na mararamdaman, ayoko na ng ganito na feeling. Doon na magsisimula yung, okay, teka lang, yung next one. Should I or should I not? Kasi na-feel mo na yung hurt eh. So, as time goes by siguro, it depends eh. It depends. Para sa akin, as time goes by, the more you learn, the more mature you get. Kasi dati for me, when I was young, relationship para sa akin was, syempre, crush mo yung babae. So, kay crush mo, may something, naging kayo. When you break up, para sa akin, hindi mo alam kung totoong mahal mo siya. Because you want to feel that love. Na hindi mo pa alam eh. You only feel love from your family. So, para sa akin, love is, you can only feel love if you felt what love is not. Doon mo na mo sasabi, ay, ito, mahal na to. Kasi yung last, hindi eh. Parang, after a while, you move on, hindi mo na sila may miss. Kung talagang mahal mo isang tao, you say you can move on, but you cannot not stop loving and stop missing that person kung mahal mo. Hindi ko na miss. So, feeling ko, okay. So, hindi pala love yun. Now, you can base that from ano nararamdaman mo yun. So, yun, para sa akin. Makikita mo naman eh, it's up to you. At pag feeling mo, ito talaga iba to sa lahat. Yun. Doon mo na maramdaman. So, the risk, at first wala. Para habang tumatagal, the risk gets higher and higher and higher. Para sa akin. That's how it is.
Liza.
Ako naman, I'm not the type of person kasi na takot mag-love. Parang, when I want to love someone, I want to give it all. Pero, the thing I'm afraid of is losing the trust. Yun dyan ako takot. Kasi I'm very paranoid when it comes to those kind of things. And I start thinking badly of that person and I start thinking badly of myself. Kasi why would he betray my trust? What have I done? Parang ganun ako. So, ako when I want to love someone, I want to jump into it. But, just please don't break my trust. Parang ganun.
May dadagdag pa pala ako. Dati nga pala, before, gusto naman ako to. So yung basis nung kung bakit ako nagkaka-girlfriend before, sabi when I was young, was because siyempre, I wanted a girlfriend. Lahat naman ng tao, growing up, they always wanted a girlfriend. Crush mo, crush kita, sige, let's do this, di ba, ganun. Pero, yun ang basis eh, ng kung bakit mo niligawan in the first place. Kasi crush mo, hindi mo mahal. So, expected na mag-grow yun as you get to know each other. Pero, minsan kasi, after that, pag nag-break kayo, unang isipin mo, okay, kung hindi kayo okay, mag-move on, maghanap ka agad ako ng girlfriend. Another one. Kailangan, I need that. Marami pang iba dyan. So, yung basis mo for looking for another girlfriend is because something was lost. You just wanted to replace it. Kaya, after, pag you enter into a relationship after that, dun sa basis ng relationship, it won't last. Kasi dun, naghanap ka ng girlfriend. Not just you wanted one, pero, I mean, you want the feeling back. So parang, so after a while, inisip ko, parang naging cycle. Naging cycle lang. It's not like, parang naging cycle. So para sa akin, instead of looking for a girl na mahal ko, I'll just wait until maramdaman ko yung ano na yan. Iba kasi kapag you start, gusto mo ligaw ng tao kapag mahal mo na kaysa sa gusto mo lang siya. Gets mo? So, yeah.
Okay, ayan, with that last answer from Ken, we'd like to thank you all for coming. But first, we'd like to hear from our writers. Miss Maan, please thank them and invite them and encourage them to write about Just the Way You Are and watch on Wednesday, June 17.
Ayun, thank you po for coming sa ano na po,